Well, another Churchill dinner plate to show you now, a 9.5 inch one, so on the smaller side. No rib moulding on this particular run. This is the Swan Inn by Churchill from the English Country Inn series, produced in the sort of 70s, 80s and 90s. Ironstone china, really nicely pattern decorated with the blockwork going right the way across, and the sort of what looks a bit like Windsor Castle in the background, but no particular attribution to the castle. Swan Inn seen here, they did a series of country inns along the same sort of theme. It's got modern Churchill marks on there. You can see recumbent lion on an ironstone base. Used vintage condition, but it's very clean actually. Got a few little knife marks just very occasionally over the surface, but if I get a glaze reflection on there, you can see just how nice and bright this particular one is. The Inn series was made by Churchill, as I say, late 20th century, in a variety of different colours. So it will be in green and white, red and white and blue and white. Red and white quite difficult to find, and this is a nice clean example of that. But do check the maximum diameter of your plates if you're buying this as a replacement or into an existing set. They made them in 9.5, 9.75, 10.25 and 10.5 inch diameters, so there is some variance in the sizes that you need to be aware of before purchasing online. This one's available for the Vintage and Antiques website. A link below will take you through to the website listing where all the details, pricing and further information you may require are. Thanks for watching.